So let's do few more examples of an AP. We are taking again the same example, the AP of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. All the terms of the AP, they are written as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. A1 is the first term of the AP, A2 is the second term of the AP, A3 is the third term of the AP, A4 is the fourth term of the AP and so on. अब देखो इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है, A2 माइनस A1 मतलब सेकेंड टर्म में से क्या किया हमने, फर्स्ट टर्म को क्या किया माइनस, 4 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल टू 2, A3 माइनस A2 इज इक्वल टू 6 माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 2, A4 माइनस A3 इज इक्वल टू 8 माइनस 6 इज इक्वल टू 2, A5 माइनस A4 इज इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 2। मतलब जब हम सेकेंड टर्म को फर्स्ट टर्म से में से माइनस करते हैं, सेकेंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस करते हैं तो क्या आता है 2, थर्ड टर्म में से सेकेंड टर्म को माइनस किया तो क्या आया 2। सिमिलरली A4 माइनस A3 इज 2, A5 माइनस A4 is also 2. Difference between all the consecutive terms is a constant, so this is an AP. And what is the value of D? It is 2. So the given sequence is an AP with D is equal to 2. Now let me give you another example. Let us consider the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10. Let's check it is an AP or not. What is the difference between second and first term? 4 minus 1 is 3. Then 7 minus 4 is also 3. 10 minus 7 is also 3. So it is also an AP with D is equal to 3. D किसको कहते हैं? D कहते हैं कॉमन डिफरेंस को। सेकेंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस करते हैं, थर्ड टर्म में से सेकेंड टर्म को माइनस करते हैं, फोर्थ टर्म में से थर्ड टर्म को माइनस करते हैं, एंड व्हेन द डिफरेंस ऑफ ऑल दीज टर्म इज सेम देन द सीक्वेंस इज नोन एज एन AP. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस अनदर एग्जाम्पल. लेट अस कंसिडर अ सीक्वेंस -1 -1 -1. आपको पता है जिस सीक्वेंस में सारी टर्म सेम होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड अ constant sequence. So it is, let us consider the difference A2 minus A1, -1 minus -1, this minus and minus becomes plus, -1 plus 1 is equal to 0, means difference between second and first term is 0. Similarly the difference between third and second term is also 0, difference between fourth and third term is also 0. So this is also an AP. This type of the AP is known as constant AP. This is an example of a constant AP. In an AP, when all the terms are same, that is called a constant AP. So again I am telling you the definition of an AP. When the difference between consecutive terms of a sequence is constant, that is called a AP. In an AP, the difference is always constant, difference between consecutive terms is always constant, and that constant difference is denoted by D and we call it as common difference. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Common difference कहते हैं. And generally the terms of the AP are denoted as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 and so on. Tomorrow we'll start with exercise 5.1.